Okay, we have here the Kia Ceed as well, first generation, and I will show you how to use this antifreeze G11 in your car. So first of all, you need to open the car. Okay. Okay. Coolant is right here. There's some information. Keep coolant level between F and L. So it's lower and like maximum, I think, so it can full. So F means full and low when engine is cold. So you can see, you can check actual status, and you see that we are just somewhere here, and all is here, so we need input inside some coolant. So it's really easy, you just need to open it and take okay. So you open it, and now just okay, now we can check, and now it's better. So right now it's okay, and we can again secure driving. We can input more. Okay, now it's okay. Nice. Now just close also this.